how to rename my SQL database user in cPanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cPanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. Once you log in, you will land on the main cPanel dashboard. On the main dashboard, scroll down and click on the MySQL Databases option. Now you will enter the Databases page. Scroll down slowly until you find the Database User section. In the Current Users section, find the database user. Click on the Rename option next to the user. A small pop-up window will appear. Here, type the new username you want to set. Now, click on Proceed to continue. And done. Your MySQL database user has been renamed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.